Hello, this is Haitian Cuisine with me now. Today we are making some baked or grilled tilapia, however you want to call it. Fish in the oven, that's what it's gonna be. Okay, you see how big these are? All cleaned up. See, cocoa is removed, lev is removed, tete is removed, and inside is clean. Okay, I'm gonna have 3 of these. And here I have my bell peppers. This is the first time while watching. Welcome to Haitian Cuisine with me. You know, when you have been here before, thank you. We are making some grilled baked fish in the oven. The fish that I'm using is tilapia, and I have my marinated ready. This is some bell pepper. I have some yellow onions. I have some red onions I'm gonna be using. I have some thyme, parsley, some oregano, fresh oregano in here, guys, that I'm gonna be using in there. Some are going in, some are going under it. Red onion. My ice is watering. Oof. I'm making this for someone very special, which is my mom. And happy birthday, Raina. Today is your birthday. I hope you are enjoying yourself. You're waiting to come up for your grandma's birthday, but it's also your birthday today, so enjoy and have fun, baby. That thing is, oh, my ice is water. Okay. We're gonna have this baby sleeping in there. I'm gonna add some cherry tomatoes in here. We're gonna make them whole. I'm gonna wash my don't need to wash my hand yet. Let me do this while I'm at it. Okay. Can you see me? That thing is getting in my eyes, I'm telling you. Ooh. I wash my hand because I just touched the camera. Okay, and here I have all my spice in here. Okay, of course my Haitian spice is in here, homemade. I have garlic, I have lemon pepper, Old Bay seasoning, some Tony's. Start with the inside, okay guys? See? Okay. I have some olive oil in there. Let me make sure it's all the way in there. Okay, that's one right here. And then I'm gonna put some inside of it. See how clean and white the thing is? Always remember when you're cleaning those fish, especially tilapia, there's a second layer on it, deep down, that you have to make sure that you take it out so you can clean it properly. Even though they say it's clean, believe me, when you open that thing, you'll see what's coming out of it. Always make sure that the pussy's out. That's why I like cleaning them myself. Now let's do something with the inside of these babies. Make sure all have some. Now this way here, I forget to put my tomatoes. Let me go get it. I see my belly went there too. That's what I'm having. You can cut them in half if you like, or leave them whole. I may as well cut them in half, or just make sure everything get in there. Okay, out. Now, like I said, I'm gonna put some inside of this. Okay. I thought maybe you're gonna be too small. Inside. Tomato can be out. I'm gonna slide this down so we can make a nice bed for this baby to lay on. Okay. We'll go like this. You don't want it in the top so it doesn't get burned. You're good here. Sometime I want it right in the middle here. They're falling off. Okay. Here we go. I can add some more. And I can add some paprika to make it look beautiful. I'm gonna add some butter. Okay, here we go, guys.